Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it was that time of the year again, the Sephora showcase, which means this is a Sephora showcase haul. Yeah, so twice a year Sephora puts on a showcase where they show influencers and like media people all the new releases coming up in the next 6 months. I am so lucky and thankful that I get to go. And at the end of it, we get a giant goodie bag, which I just showed you, to take home and play with. I've been doing these hauls for the past 1.5 years now. You guys seem to really like them. I hope you like them. I'm not trying to brag or anything. I just want to show you the new products that are launching in Australia. A lot of them are already out in the US. I don't know why we're so far behind. It's like they haven't heard of boats or planes. Anyway, yeah, the point of these is just to show you the new products launching and to show you the products that I have. So if you guys want my opinions on them or for me to use them in videos, then you can request it. So yeah, if you guys want to see the products that I got at the Sephora showcase, then just keep watching. Oh lordy, where do I start? Let's start with this bag on top. IT Cosmetics. Don't actually know if IT Cosmetics is in here. No, it's not. Okay, that was a letdown. Let's try that again. So first up we have the Becca light to medium face palette. I swatched this at the showcase and oh my god. I was in love with it and I love the packaging too. Oh, and we've got like the highlighters, the bronzer and a blush. Oh, it is so beautiful. And I just die over this packaging. Next up we have a Foreo Make My Day Hydrating and Anti-Pollution mask. Oh, that's what it is. Oh, I also got the Foreo face thingy, but the mask version. Let me find it. Yeah, so this thing, it lights up when you use it and it's supposed to help the mask like penetrate better and just work better in general. So I am so excited to use these. Should I have done this in an order? Probably. Next up, I have 2 skincare products from Murad. I mentioned in my last favorites video, which I think was July, I mentioned their like vitamin C serum, which I love. I'm obsessed with. I'm still using it, so I can't wait to try more of their products. This is the Blemish Control Clarifying Treatment, so that'll be good when I have breakouts. And this is a multivitamin infused oil. So this sounds like it would be really good for me to use like at night. I can't really use oils during the day because I have oily skin and they normally just turn me into like an oily mess, but I'm still excited to see how these go. Ooh, next up we have this black parcel, which I have already opened because I got too excited. It's from Zoeva. So these are part of their Screen Queens collection. Each time I say Screen Queens, I want to say Scream Queens, like the TV series. So this is the face palette. I have actually already used this highlighter and it is amazing. I love it. It is very beautiful. I'm making a mess already. And then this is the Screen Queens eyeshadow palette. All the shades are shimmery except for this one. I sort of wish this was more of like a brown transition color. Personally, I wouldn't really use this color except for like a brow bone highlight, but the rest of the shades are so beautiful. You guys know Zoeva is one of my favorite eyeshadow brands. Next up, another skincare item. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Power Serum. So this has 20% C, 3% E, and 2% ferulic acid. I don't really know that much about acids in skincare. I just know vitamin C and that's about it. But I did use the Cucumber Detox Cleanser in this brand and I absolutely love it. It's still one of my favorite cleansers. So I'm excited to try another thing in the Peter Thomas Roth range. Ooh, next up, I'm so excited about this. This is the Dior Backstage eyeshadow palette. When I first saw this in the bag, I thought that it was the like face palette, which I love. It's amazing, but I already have it and I really wanted the eyeshadow palette, so I was a bit bummed. But then I saw it is the eye palette, so I'm really excited. This just looks so beautiful and wearable. And you get like a little primer concealer thing up in the corner here. And then you've got some nice selections of mattes and these 2 shimmers. Oh, it's so beautiful and I just love the packaging. Oh, let me do a little swatch. Oh, I love it. I love it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Just trust me, it's beautiful. Next up, I have an eyeshadow palette. This is by a new brand in Australia called Pretty Vulgar. Their stand was so cool. Their packaging looks awesome and all their products look really awesome as well. They're sort of like an edgier brand, I want to say. Like this is the eyeshadow palette. It reminds me of Harry Potter because it's a phoenix. And Gryffindor. Anyway, this is what the palette looks like inside. You have a really lovely big mirror and then like all these warm toned phoenixy shades. I am like living for the red tones and you have these awesome like matte shades as well and shimmers. Cannot wait to try it. Let's do a swatch. Let's go with Untamable and Resurrect Sin. Oh my gosh, these feel so buttery. Okay, holy moly. Oh, Those look amazing. Oh, I cannot wait to try this brand. I think I actually have a blush in here somewhere from them as well. We might get to that later. I have hair in my mouth. Next up, we have some false lashes from the brand Artemis? I feel like he's a character in a video game, but he is also probably some like Greek god or something. I don't know. I'm sure you guys can educate me on that. Ooh, so these are Japanese silk lashes. Oh, that is so beautiful. These actually look amazing. They look like real eyelashes. I cannot wait to try these out. Oh. Next up, I have some fragrances from Commodity. I love this brand because you can mix their perfumes and like layer them on to create your own custom scent. These also make awesome gifts because perfume is such like a personal thing. Like what smells amazing on me might smell absolutely terrible on someone else and vice versa. But this way the gift receiver can like customize their own perfume. It's great. Then I got some Ouai Dry Texture Foam. I absolutely love Ouai. Jen Atkins is like a genius. I already have like texturizing spray in my hair, so I'm not going to try this out right now. Otherwise my hair will probably be like a crunchy mess, but I'm sure it'll be amazing. And all the Ouai hair care products, smells so good. I can't wait till their fragrances launch in Australia. Like I want to wear this as a perfume. Next up, I have two things from Clinique. So this is the post-workout mattifying moisturizer, and this is the post-workout face and body cleansing wipes. These sound interesting. I'll have to give them a go. Normally I just like shower after I work out and then do my whole skincare routine. But I feel like this would be good if you're like at the gym or like out somewhere doing a workout and you don't have access to a shower. Yeah, I think these would be really good. Okay, next up I have a hair care product, and this is by IGK. This is their Cleansing Walnut Scalp Scrub. I have never heard of a scalp scrub in my life. Kind of intrigued to try this because I get psoriasis all through my scalp, so I feel like it'd be good to like get the flakiness out. But then do you have like bits of walnut in your hair? I don't know. I'll have to give this a go. Oh, I found the blush. Shimmering Swan by Pretty Vulgar. Oh, it's not a blush, it's a highlighter slash illuminator. The packaging, oh, this does look like it's gonna be a bit dark for me. Let's do a swatch. Oh my lord, it's like this beautiful champagne, and it's got absolutely no glitter sparkly bits. It's just this beautiful sheen. I can tell I'm gonna fall in love with this brand already. So next up I have some skincare from Uni. I have their Active Calm Firming Facial Moisturizer. Then I also have their Glide On Illuminating Balm, which deeply hydrates and enhances natural glow with organic kukui seed oil and turmeric. And then lastly, I have the Zenicure Rejuvenating Facial Oil. I'd never heard of this brand before the showcase, so I'm excited to give them a go. Another skincare item, I have actually heard of this brand, Fresh, and I've heard really good things, so I'm actually really excited to try this. This is the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. First of all, love me some kombucha, and I'm actually almost out of my Tatcha facial essence. So this came just in time. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the last of the skincare. I got the Feed Your Skin Votari Super Seed Facial Oil. Hadn't heard of this brand before either. And then the Youth to the People Makwi Acai Prickly Pear Goji Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. I have tried a few things from Youth to the People and I really like them, so I'm excited to try this one as well. Also, prickly pears remind me of Malta. I'm half Maltese, if you didn't know. And they just remind me of my granddad's farm because they were everywhere. Now I have some goodies from Cover FX. I am so excited to have this. This is the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. This is just translucent light. I tried this at the showcase and it like blew my mind. It's so finely milled that you put it on your hand and it just like disappears. It's amazing. I can't wait to put this on my face. Then I also picked up the Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray and the High Performance Setting Spray. I'm excited to try these because I've heard such good things about them, but I have tried the matte finishing spray, which I'd also heard good things about, and it left all these like white dots all over my face. But because these aren't mattifying, they shouldn't do that. So hopefully I will love them. Next up, I have 6 of the Bite Beauty French pressed lip glosses. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. So I have the shade Flat White. Pretty sure these are all named after coffees. You know how much I love my coffee. Then we have Black Coffee, which is this beautiful, like deep maroon almost. Dirty Chai. Salted Caramel, which is more of like a pinky lighter nude. Vanilla Latte, which I feel like is a brown light nude. And then French Press, which is a beautiful, like rich brown chocolatey color. Let's try on Vanilla Latte, hey? They smell like coffee. Now I can get my coffee fix for this afternoon. Now I have some stuff from First Aid Beauty. So I have another skincare item. This is the last one, I'm pretty sure. This is the Kona Eye Stick. Hydrate, Depuff, and Prime. Cool. I do love First Aid Beauty. Then I have 2 of their avocado mix concealers. Bendy avocado concealers. Hopefully they're pigmented. Let's see. Oh, I feel like it's got like a medium coverage. It does feel really wet. I'll have to see how they go on my skin. Next up, I have 2 items from Natasha Denona. I always get so excited when I see that I've gotten like PR from anything Natasha Denona. It is so beautiful. It's probably the most insanely pigmented, highest quality products I have ever tried, and their price reflects that. They are very expensive, but I got their Super Glow Duochrome highlighter. This looks amazing. Oh, that is so beautiful, and it feels so soft and silky when you touch it. Oh my god, guys. And then the other Natasha Denona product I have is the Blush and Go. This is so cute. So she's released like these smaller products which have a more affordable price point for us girls that aren't billionaires. Next up I have that IT Cosmetics product. It's the CC Plus Oil-Free Matte Full Coverage Cream. So if anyone's wondering, I'm in the shade medium tan when I have fake tan on. I cannot wait to try this. Steph raves all the time about the original CC Plus cream, but she's got fairly like normal to dry skin and I've got oily skin, so hopefully this will be amazing for me. I'm really excited to try it, and I love the packaging. I'm really liking blues at the moment, if you can't tell. Then I have the Marc Jacobs Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. Now this trips me out every time. Every time I go to open this, I'm just like, ugh, why is it not opening like a lip gloss? Like you'd think that you just like untwist this and there'd be like a wand with an applicator, right? No, this is how it works. It's a lip gloss stick. It trips me out every time. Oh, it's so creamy and it's such like a beautiful natural color. This is the shade Sugar Sugar. I think I'm gonna really like this. Next up, I have 2 products from Tarte. So this is the Rainforest of the Sea collection Quench Hydrating Primer. I absolutely love the Rainforest of the Sea like skincare line by Tarte. It's actually amazing. Definitely try it if you have oily skin. So I'm pretty excited to try this, even though it says it's a hydrating primer. And still with Tarte, I got this blush. This is limited edition. It's their Fairy Flush Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. Look at the packaging. Ugh. And the stars, they move when you shake it. So beautiful. I'm a sucker for pretty packaging, I tell ya. And this is the blush. It's like a beautiful mauve tone. Next up, I have 2 lipsticks. So this is the, I'm like sitting weird on my chair, hold on. This is the Kat Von D lipstick in Ophelia. It's just this beautiful like nude brownie color. These smell delicious. It smells kind of like cake. And then the other lipstick I got is by Pretty Vulgar. How beautiful is this packaging? So I have the shade Blur Them With a Smile, and it's this beautiful vampy brown. Oh, and it's even got like a little bird imprint on it. So cute. Okay, last 2 makeup things I got is a blush from the Sephora collection. This is the shade Heated. I'm pretty sure they changed their packaging. I swear I've got other blushes that are not packaged like this. That's quite pretty. It does have gold glitter in it though. And then the last makeup product is by Nude Sticks. It is their Tinted Blur stick. This is the shade Medium 4. It's like a concealer pencil. It is very creamy. Oh, it feels so smooth. Wow, that's actually an amazing color match for me. Then the last things I got are from Beauty Blender. This is the Waterless Sponge and Brush Cleansing Spray. I am really excited to use this because at the moment I just use like bar soap to clean my Beauty Blender, and sometimes I'm really lazy with it because it takes a fair amount of effort. And I'm almost out of my Artiste brush cleanser. So yeah, I want to give this one a go. Let's try it. Let's clean something. So we just, ooh. What? That is such a fine mist. Oh, it's like all over my hands. Oh, it feels oily. I'm just gonna clean it on my bathrobe down here. Oh my god. Wow, that cleaned it really well. And the brush doesn't feel oily afterwards. What is this? What is this sorcery? That's crazy. Wow, I'm really impressed by that. And the very last thing I got is the Beauty Blender Defender. What do you need to defend a beauty blender from, guys? It's a sponge. I don't really understand this. Like, I get it for traveling, but I just throw my beauty blender into like my makeup bag. If I put it inside this and then in my makeup bag, it's gonna take up like quadruple the space. I just don't get it. Do you understand why you need a protective case for a sponge? I don't. But that's just me. I'm just being honest with you guys. Beauty Blender's probably gonna take me off their PR list now. But I do love this thing. So that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what products you guys want reviews on and what you guys want to see in videos. Also, let me know if you've tried anything and what your experience has been. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!